How to change aspect ratio in Davinci Resolve. So the way that you would do this is by going here in the bottom right area and pressing this gear icon. And then here in the master settings, you can set the resolution. And here you can set the aspect ratio. But you have to do some calculations with this. So for example, let's say I want this resolution to be 817. Now let's save that and let's see how the video looks. The video has these black bars, so if you want to remove that, go to the gear icon again, go to image scaling. Now I don't want to stretch the frame and I don't want the center crop with no resizing. Let's select scale full frame with cropped. So let's click save, and here is how the video looks like. So what this did is stretch the video to fit the resolution, and it cut off the top and bottom edges of the video so it can fit. And you can also change these options. Instead of changing the entire project file, you can just change this one video. So let's just click this. Let's go to the scaling, and it's on fill, but you can do that. And there you go. That's how to change the aspect ratio in Davinci Resolve. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.